Greetings, Raphael here with Chicago Diamond Supply in our warehouse to demonstrate what it's like to tension a diamond chainsaw. What we have here today is a standard diamond chainsaw, and I'm going to simulate a cutting operation. During the cut, the operator often has to pull out of the cut and check the chain tension. If the chain tension is too loose, he must stop what he's doing to tension. To tension a diamond chainsaw, you must first loosen the cover nuts. This allows the chain to be ready to tension. Then you take a tool or a screwdriver to tension the chain. Do not forget to tighten the cover bolts. You are now ready to start cutting it. Featuring now our Mito quick tensioning system, which allows the operator to tension the chain effortlessly without a tool, we're going to demonstrate. Engaging in the cut, the operator then has to check the chain tension. Once pulls out, the chain needs tension. You quickly, toollessly, and effortlessly turn the knob and quickly re-engage into the cut. As easy as that. What we can do here is quickly tension all of our diamond chainsaws featured faster than what you can do with a traditional chainsaw system. Thank you for our video. For more information, feel free to log online at www.chicagodimondsupply.net.